And Rav Chaim Volozhin, the Nefesh Chaim, explains, what's this idea of Tzelem Elokim? We were created at Tzelem Elokim. So the translation of Tzelem Elokim means that we're created in the image of God. God doesn't have an image. What is the image of God that we're created? So what does this mean? Ask the Nefesh Chaim, Rav Chaim Volozhin. What does it mean that we're created b'Tzelem Elokim? And the answer is that we're created into the similarity, into certain godly characteristics. God gave us the power to control creation, both in the higher worlds and in the lower worlds. We know a person has to have Yiras Shamayim. Yiras Shamayim, most people translate it as fear of heaven. Yiras Shamayim. But really, this doesn't mean it says, explains to Chaim Volozhin, we don't have to have fear of heaven. What's heaven? We have to have fear of God. But you know what it means, Yiras Shamayim, fear of heaven? What is the fear of heaven that we have to have? That every word that we take out of our mouth can build or destroy higher worlds. You know what the fear of heaven is, says Rav Chaim Volozhin? Our actions, our words has an effect in the next world. We have to fear heaven based on our actions and based on our words, because that has cosmic and catastrophic effects in the next world. That's the power of our mouth. A person should never say, oh, what am I am nothing, what do I possess, I'm just saying words. I can't tell you how many cases I've been dealing with and dealt with where people that said something and they're so regretting it, whether it's negative speech, whether it's curses, whether it's, the power of the mouth is tremendous. It's so powerful. Our words do not go to waste. They're recorded and they're used either for us or against us. We have to be super duper careful on how we use our words.